If you're looking for Sciatica SOS in-depth review, then you might be suffering from lower back pain. Read this article fully to see my thoughts and results from using Sciatica SOS. Hi there. My name is Milner. I am a father of 2 beautiful kids, a husband, and I love to hang out with my family. Me and my son used to play football in our garden. My son doesn't enjoy anything like playing soccer with me. We live in a semi-urban society and I am not satisfied with my monthly income. Later I had a back injury which turned me into a slave of it. I don't know why it came, but some say that it's a cause in our sciatic nerve. Back pain minimized my daily activities, like, I can't able to play with my son, it stopped me to hang out with my family, even I can't able to go to my friend's home, I can't also walk up or down in stairs etc. because of this horrible lower back pain. One of my friend and I went to the doctors, chiropractors, and they said to take this and that dozens of medicines. Later when I see my bill, it will be like a cost to buying a car. I can't afford this because, as I said, I don't have much income. Back pain bill. They also recommend taking painkillers which will control the pain for some time. Even a kid knows that painkillers is not good for our health. Some say to cure it we need to do surgery. One day my wife chat with her old college student and she said that her father also had such back pain, but he cured by taking a program online and drinking a tea which they recommend. The main thing is, she also said to my wife that it will not cost much, at the same time back pain will not cause hereafter. Then soon my wife hurried and asked her what is that awesome program, then she sent this link which contains their program's information. Before I was scared that my life will be over trying to cure this back pain. Thank God. I got this lovely Sciatica SOS program which completely vanished my back pain in a few days. And you know what, now I am playing with my son soccer, no fights or unhappy, used to roam out with my family, can do my daily exercises etc. What is sciatica and what causes it? Have back pain causes. Sciatica is a tingling, shooting pain, or weakness that causes in the lower back and moves through the leg and buttocks. Here is 6 common sciatica causes. Lumbar herniated disc. Piriformis syndrome. Degenerative disc disease. Isthmic spondylolisthesis. Sacroiliac joint dysfunction. Lumbar spinal stenosis. Since there are several causes of sciatica, so there are different medicines and ways to cure them. So the tea that is recommended by Glenn from Sciatica SOS will cure these all causes. That's the power of old natural herbs. Even though other treatments which cost you in thousands of bucks will only cure sciatica temporarily. What is Sciatica SOS program? It's an online program which cures back pain in 7 days or less using some Nepalese secrets. This Nepalese remedy for sciatica is a 86 quality pages ebook written by Glenn Johnson. He is a passionate doctor who himself experienced the back pain like us and figured out the solution and cured it completely. Glenn doesn't say you to take painkillers or medicines, instead, he came with a completely natural way to cure lower back pain. He doesn't promote you to use fancy types of equipment which cost hundreds of dollars, so you don't need any additional investment. The things he recommends is drug-free and 100% natural herbs which can kick sciatica out. The step-by-step tutorial made to follow the program easily and effectively. The Sciatica SOS cures back pain in 7 days or less by following some diet plans, drinking sciatica tea and by exercising. It is for those who suffer from back pain after going to lots of doctors, chiropractors appointments and failed. Does Sciatica SOS work? Simply yes, it freaking works. Immediately after I purchased, I received my copy, no need to wait and think when my postman will get my copy. The way Sciatica SOS organized step by step is very easy to follow and understand. He says some cool tips which even I never heard of, like sleep and diet. These play a major role when it comes to curing lower back pain. I followed the program accurately, got the recommended sleep, eat the recommended foods, did the stretches and drink the sciatica tea, which is the key to unlock the back pain. Here are some benefits of Sciatica SOS. One of the main benefits is you don't want to waste your money and time by going to doctor's appointments. You will have everything in your hand, you can perform it in your home. The stretches and exercises Glenn says are very understandable and very easy. You don't have to wait for days to get your program. Immediately right after you purchase you will get the Sciatica SOS guide, even it is 2 a.m. Simply investing few bucks can cure your sciatica forever. Even when you go to doctors and spend thousands of dollars, you will not cure it permanently. To read more benefits, just click here. Now I'll share you my amazing result of using Sciatica SOS, so keep reading. Here are my amazing results. These are the results of me by following the program. Remember, the same results I got using this, you will not get. But I guarantee you will cure your back pain if you follow this. To make the article results easy to understand, I separated the results I got, improvements, my feelings from day number 1. Day number 1 of Sciatica SOS program. First day morning, I wake up and brushed the teeth and prepared the Sciatica Nepalese tea that is recommended by Glenn and drank it the first time. I felt a little tingling sensation. A great sign that indicates it works. I started to think that I will get my peaceful and happy life back again. Then I hurried to the office before making my boss shout at me. Later at work, I had my second cup of tea. I felt little different than before. The pain which I had before had reduced as the day goes. After coming home from the office, I did the exercises and stretches which guided by Sciatica SOS. Oh man. I should say that after doing the stretches my whole soul felt so good. As recommended by Sciatica SOS book 1, had my dinner which my lovely wife prepared for me. For dinner, I had skillet chicken thighs with spring vegetables and shallot vinaigrette. After having my dinner I switched on my TV, unfortunately, it's not worked. So I went to bed like a newborn human without having that exhausting pain in my back. Day #2 to 6 of Sciatica SOS program. As I said above, the first day itself I improved and felt so good. Then I followed the program correctly for 5 days. I had my tea daily, did the exercises and stretches, went to bed early to make sure I get plenty of sleep, ate the recommended foods. As you can see, I made the program one of the pillars of my daily activities. As the day goes on, my back pain started to vanish and I felt better and better. I think the number 3 day after coming from the office, my son challenged me to a football match like old days. So I accepted. He scored 4 goals this time and won. Awesome feelings. Same after the next day, my family went to a birthday party of my friend's daughter. You know what? Now I had my time to enjoy the party with them. Even I danced with my wife little. Lol. Day number 7 and beyond of Sciatica SOS program, and the final day arrived and I felt much better with my back. Is my sciatica completely cured? No. But the difference, improvements I felt from these number 7 days is very, very huge. I didn't feel any of that exhausted pain in my back then. I don't want to curse the doctor, he said me to take surgery. But I am not a doctor and cured the pain at home without any unnecessary medicines because of the miracle Sciatica SOS program. I feel so proud of myself. As the day goes, I didn't stop to follow the program. What I did in day number 1 I did every day and improved much better. You will not feel the results by reading this, so that's why give a try to Sciatica SOS program by clicking here. Like me, if you follow the program correctly by doing the things they ask you to do, you will be amazed at the results. No more money wastage on unnecessary medicines, no more time wastage on doctor's appointments. I tried my best to explain to you my Sciatica SOS review and results, and I hope you understood. Show some of your thought in the comment section below. Now let's see what's included in with Sciatica SOS PDF. What's included in with Sciatica SOS program? These are the major contents of the ebook. Introduction part: home-based foods, the exercise, sleeping, posture, diet plans. And additionally, you get some cool bonuses for free which will cost $. Along with the ebook, you will get these bonuses right after you purchase the program. So what is the bonuses? Well, these are the bonuses. How to lose 10 pounds naturally, lessons from miracle doctors, 10 ways to fight off cancer, stress soothers, free lifetime updates, sleeping solace. These are the things you get inside the program. So let's see some goods and bads of Sciatica SOS Nepalese remedy. Pros: right after you purchase the program you will receive your ebook along with the bonuses even if it is 3 am. The program recommends everything 100% natural. So no need to worry about side effects. The program comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So nothing to lose or risky. The results are guaranteed in the short-term period, 7 days. The dietary habits and stretches they say you to follow will not only cure sciatica, but it also protects you from so many diseases. I can point lots of pros for Sciatica SOS book, but I am not willing. Cons, to be honest, I do not find any faults, but I like to tell you that the Glenn who is the author, he is not famous or well known, it doesn't matter, the only thing we care is the results, no matter if it's from a zombie lol. Sciatica SOS price, here's how I got mine cheap, here is the deal. If we see some coupon or discount, even if it is $1 for a product, our eyes will blink in dollar signs. I little dug deep into the web and landed on this awesome page, which contains the coupon for Sciatica SOS program. Listen, with this price and 30-day money-back guarantee you have nothing to lose. So soon after that, I checked my bank account balance, thank God. I had enough to purchase. Immediately I bought it and read a few pages that night itself. Then turned my computer off and went to bed because of the next day work in the office. Conclusion, my final verdict: Sciatica SOS review. Conclusion is Sciatica SOS program is a scam? Definitely not. It's a legit program for those who want to cure the back pain by getting no unwanted medicines, surgeries. Only everything is natural. It can cure sciatica, which causes in the lower back, in 7 days. Drug-free natural herbs. As I said above, my results, it improved and reduced my pain in day 1 itself. So this program is legit and affordable for anyone. Don't forget to take advantage of the discount. Grab the Sciatica SOS program with the bonus less than. I tried my maximum to write this Sciatica SOS review to help you guys. Even if you have any question, please don't forget to comment down below. Thank you and have a bright future.